Namaste. As what you can see today is all Indian crew. All Indian crew is standing. We are 650 Indian crew stuck on Marella cruise line. Today we are in UK, Southampton, and we are stuck and we need help from you guys. We are asking and help from our Indian government. Today you can see all this Indian crew have been protesting for only one thing. They are missing their families and they want to go home. Our company Marella is giving us the best of the best, been taking care of us, giving us food, giving us shelter, and they are giving us whatever needs what we required. And they are booking the charter flights as well. We have occasions, 3 occasions the charter flight has been booked. But at the 3 times, when we are going excited and we want to go home, it's getting cancelled. The reason behind this is getting cancelled because we are getting information that paperwork's not been sent on the time. Indian government needs more paperwork. The paperworks are coming on the last minute so that we cannot able to do this. And every time we are again depressed. And this depression can give us more problems and more problems and more problems. We don't want any of the crew members to take any wrong decision and give up their life as on the other ships has been done. As we can see, today we are stuck in Southampton, UK, and we have other companies as well, where else P&O crew members have been already gone home, and we are trying our best to go home. In this situation today, we have lost our near ones and dear ones as well. As we can think about them, and we can really feel so bad that they cannot able to go and give the last respect to their family as well. And we are pleading, we are begging for our Indian government, the High Commission of India in UK, to send us home, please. Please send us home as soon as possible. As today we have received a date is on the 14th, a last date on the 14th. So we would like to request, please, at least on that day, we are all crew member, 650 Indian, we are stuck on Marella cruise ship. Please send us home. We have a final hope on the 14th of June. As we are thinking, this would be the day we will be going home. So please we are requesting to send us home on that day. We are requesting our Indian government, we are requesting our High Commission of India to make us go home on that day. Please. There are different nationalities. As I can say, there are all different nationalities on board who have taken their people on home. And why only we Indians have been stuck here? Why we Indians been stuck here? We have already 90 days. We have 90 days at sea and 45 days on quarantine. So what else we need? 45 days quarantine, what else we need? Only the thing what we need is giving us a permission for our charter flight to go home to India. So please we are requesting, help us and send us back home. Jai Hind.